Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 1992 to 2008 and 1999 to 2007 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the 8 bolts on the bed of your vehicle. If your vehicle is a short bed, you will only need to remove the 6 bolts. Step 3. Glance underneath your vehicle and make sure the bolt holes are aligned. Once aligned, lift up your bed and slide the distorted thread nut onto the frame rail, making sure to align it with the bed bolt holes on your bed. Lower your bed onto the thread nut. Step 4. After aligning all the distorted thread nuts, coat your bolts with anti-seize. This will help seal and protect your bed bolts from seizing, corrosion, and galling. Finally, insert the included bolts and washers inside your bed. Screw them into place using an 8mm Allen key or hex bit with an impact gun or ratchet. Then you're done!